wonderful people, and welcome to a field next to a railway line somewhere in southwest France. I've always liked train spotting. This is our local line that goes from my village all the way down to the south of France to a big city called Agen. There's not many trains on this line, but I really like to come here and watch them. But when exactly will the train arrive? Well, it's hard to tell, but I've got a new feature, and that's called an Apple Watch. Now, an Apple Watch is actually connected to the phone network, so it's a phone. I can use it like a Dick Tracy communication device. But it also has web connectivity, so it's actually telling me that there's a train coming from our village and going south any minute now. Now, I really don't like phones because I don't want people to phone me, but I must admit, having an emergency communication device actually on your wrist is fantastic because it lets you communicate with the world. It tells me that the temperature today is 19 degrees Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit, a nice warm day. It also tells me it's Monday, which sometimes I actually need when you're retired. But most of all, it reminds me when there's a train coming, and that's what I really need as a train spotter. That's one of our TER trains all the way to the south of France.